This is case number 17-55139-DS. Tresea and Donald Eugene Penland Jr. They're here after being picked up on a bench warrant for failing to comply with the court order. The front of the court referee recommended 90 days in jail or $1,000 for each of them. Both of you didn't want to agree to that, so now we're here today. Now, you previously both waived the right to be represented by an attorney. If you wish to have an attorney today, if the answer allowed.
Yeah.
All right. So let's talk about Mr. Penland first. You can go ahead.
So we have him paying a monthly obligation of $142, which includes $104 for child support, $38 for medical support. He's also ordered to pay $50 on the arrears. The total amount owing on that case is going to be $4,055.46. And that majority of that is going to be owed to the plaintiff. I'm sorry, not the plaintiff, the third party. And the last payment that we received was $250 for a bond on August 18 of 2022. We received $33.45 September 15 of 2021 and $66.90 on September 1st of 2021 through an income withholding order through unemployment. There have been prior contempts. This was a failure to comply that was issued on August 14 of 23, and this was for 90 days or $2,500 bond, and he was picked up on January 24th of this month and picked up by Nuevo. He has had 3 prior show causes, and this is the 3rd bench warrant on this case.
All right. So, Mr. Penland, did you graduate from high school? Did you have any post-high school education?
No, not. I mean, trade school.
What did you do for trade school?
Both. I mean, both.
You studied what there?
Heavy diesel.
Is that?
Heavy diesel.
Okay.
I'm certified in mechanic in automotive mechanic.
Okay. Have you worked in that field before?
I actually have, because I've worked with my dad pretty much most of my life being a logger. So I haven't actually.
Do you have a driver's license?
I don't right now.
Why not?
It's just because I ain't got the court fines paid to get it back.
What do you owe court fines for?
A different county that I can't even remember what it's for. It's out of Mason County.
Do you have any physical disabilities?
No, I do not.
You're able-bodied,
Yes.
ready, willing to work.
Yes.
Have you been working?
No, I haven't.
Why not?
It's just like, I don't know. My parents have paid for me, you know, kind of paid and helped me out. So it's like, I just don't do it. I need to do it. I want to do it. I'd rather do it than go to jail. I'll tell you that right now. Okay. I want to work. I will work.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I really do. I'm
If
not.
you wanted to work, you'd be working.
I know it seems like that, but I want to work. I want it. I have to do this. I don't want to go to jail. I really do.
So can you give me any reason why you shouldn't serve the 90 days that Judge Dykeman already imposed? I mean, this is just kind of a courtesy hearing. It's already been imposed. You didn't do what you're supposed to do. I should just put you in jail for 90 days and forget about you.
That's a long time in jail. I could be doing so much more than just.
But you're not. You're not doing jack.
I haven't had an opportunity to just give me an opportunity to
You
figure out.
haven't had an opportunity to work or do anything? What do you do all day? What do you do all day?
We don't have a vehicle.
I'm not talking to you. What do you do all day?
Right now?
Yes.
Not a lot. I want to work though. I want to make money. I want to put me in what I'm doing right now.
What are you doing now? Nothing.
Basically nothing. Yeah.
Probably taking drugs.
No, not that. Not that.
Alcohol. Drinking all day?
I quit drinking 3 years ago and I have not drank since.
So basically you got no excuse.
Other than just, I was sitting there and I know I had warrants, so I didn't want to leave. So I just sat at home and just tried not to get in trouble.
What's the longest time you spent in jail for not paying your support?
I've never been to jail because they never told me I would, I've never knew I'd even go to jail. Really. I thought that as long as I could, yeah. I just want to find a job and get this paid. I really do. And another thing is that I have to file my taxes from 2 years ago, and that pay off half of it right there. I actually keep on forgetting to file the taxes for that. Because they give you a earned income credit ahead of time, and then you file your taxes and you got the second half, which is $2,000. I'd take care of half of it right there, as soon as I did that. File the taxes for it.
To be sentenced to the court, you serve 45 days in jail or pay $4,055. End of story.
Hang on, you please, just help me out.
Sir, you know what? It's been a $2,500 bond, it's been $1,000, it's been $500, it's been $250. It doesn't matter. You don't do what you're stop. You don't do what you're supposed to do. Any lower is not going to matter. If your parents really want to take care of you and you want to be a little mama's boy, then they can come in and drop $4,055 on us and they can have their boy back. Otherwise, you're going to do 45 days in jail. Goodbye.
Yes, sir.
Now, Tresea, did you graduate from high school? Why not?
I had cancer when I was 16 at Madison.
All right. Do you have a GED?
Yeah.
Do you have any job skills?
I worked for my sister, her mother-in-law owned Midway Towing in White Cloud. And I worked for her for like from the time I was a teen up until my 20s. Me and my friend started with Taco Bell, but I'm guessing I'm gonna lose that because I'm supposed to be there Friday.
I think they called Taco Bell and they never even heard of it.
That's what I was told. But I worked Monday, Tuesday, I didn't work Wednesday and Thursday, and I was supposed to be back Friday. I do get my kids every single weekend. They love to be with us, which that's what's hardest for me right now. It's going without them. 90 days is a long time to not be with them.
You don't have any physical issues now that prevent you from working, right?
No.
You've got skills you worked before, right?
Yeah, that's why I was excited to get this job going because I really wanted to start getting money in because we've been really struggling not having a vehicle and the child support racking up, and I just really wanted to get this job going and start paying on stuff, and to have my own money coming. You know, I can't stand not having my own money coming in.
All right, so what's her story? How many contempts? What's her payment obligation?
She's also ordered to pay $142 a month, which includes $104 for child support, $38 for medical support, with $50 ordered on the arrears. The total amount owing is a majority to the third party of $3,429.80. Last payment that we received was $66.90 September 1st of 2021 and $898.80 on August 19 of 2021 through an income withholding order through unemployment. There have been prior contempts. This was issued on August 15th of last year for 90 days or a $2,500 bond. And she was also picked up on January 24th of this year. For her, we have 2 prior show causes with failure to appear as well, and 2 bench warrants.
All right. Be the sentence of the court that you serve 45 days in jail or pay $3,400. That's all.